Ever since the first NFT marketplace was born in 2017, these platforms have revolutionized the technology landscape. The NFT Marketplace Development has expanded its horizons beyond traditional art and collectibles. As per Statista's report, the NFT market revenue is expected to reach $8,412 million by 2027. By embracing the NFT market, you can successfully onboard a more comprehensive range of user segments. Before you invest in your own NFT marketplace development, it's better to get your hands around the overall required cost. If you want to build your own NFT marketplace from the ground up, then the NFT cost for that will be higher than the ready-made solution. But a ready-made solution comes with no assurance of security, and the product depends on the platform from where you receive the key. Moreover, the tools and technologies used in development also determine the NFT cost. Estimating NFT marketplace development costs and developing top-notch NFT is just a breeze when you have experts by your side. Here are some features that influence the development cost. 1. Storefront. 2. Advanced search functionality. 3. Feature listing. 4. User interface. 5. Wallet integration. 6. Payment gateway integration. 7. Smart contracts. 8. Support for cryptocurrencies. 9. Legal and compliance requirements. 10. Hosting and maintenance. The cost to create an NFT marketplace ranges from $40,000 to $10,000 and may vary as per the customizations you need to meet your business needs. The NFT Marketplace Development Specialists at Blocktunix can help you create a thriving custom NFT marketplace. Our team has expertise in constructing effective back-end resources like databases, APIs, and all the pieces necessary to work with NFTs and blockchain technology. So, are you ready to turn your vision into a reality? Let us know about your query.